Hey guys, it's Cal from the Lighting Doctor here. Be sure to go and check out all our do-it-yourself landscape lighting videos on YouTube and subscribe to our channel for all kinds of great tips, as well as go to our website at lightingdoctor.ca where we have a whole how-to section as well as all our premium quality products. And go and check out our try it before you buy it lights, where you can buy some of our premium quality fixtures that come with a battery pack that you can go and actually test out these lights for 14 days, feel the quality, see how it looks on your property before you make any big purchases. And don't be afraid to take advantage of our free landscape lighting consultation, where you can actually send me pictures of your property and I'm going to help you design the proper lighting system and pick the right types of lights for your landscape lighting job. So again, go subscribe on YouTube, check out our website at lightingdoctor.ca for all kinds of great information and tutorials, and don't forget about our try it before you buy it lights and free landscape lighting consultation.